Hi everyone, welcome to Design Outsourcing. Today, we are discussing about BIM Execution Plan, BEP. What is a BIM Execution Plan, BEP? A BIM Execution Plan, BEP, is a document that outlines the scope, objectives, and procedures for implementing building information modeling, BIM, on a construction project. The BEP serves as a guide for the project team to ensure effective collaboration, data management, and delivery of BIM-related services. How many types of BIM execution plans are there? There are two main types of BIM execution plans. BEPs, pre-contract BEPs developed before contract award, outlining BIM requirements and processes, and post-contract BEPs, which elaborate on the pre-contract BEP with more detailed implementation specifics. 1. Pre-contract BEP. This type of BEP is prepared during the tendering or procurement phase, typically by the client or project owner. It outlines the client's BIM requirements, expectations, and standards for the project. 2. Post-contract BEP. This type of BEP is prepared after the contract has been awarded, typically by the contractor or supplier. It outlines the detailed plan for implementing BIM on the project, including the scope, responsibilities, and procedures. For now, we can check a pre-contract BIM execution plan, BEP. Content. A pre-contract BIM execution plan, BEP, is a document that outlines the client's or project owner's requirements and expectations for building information modeling, BIM, on a construction project. A typical pre-contract BEP includes project overview and objectives, BIM scope and deliverables, BIM standards and protocols, data management requirements, collaboration and communication expectations, BIM-related roles and responsibilities, evaluation criteria for tenderers' BIM submissions. In this video, we can check here's a more detailed breakdown of what a pre-contract BEP entails. In a BIM execution plan, BEP, the project document control section is critical to organizing, managing, and tracking all project documents, models, and revisions effectively. The table below is a template for project document control, including important document-related information such as employer's name, project code, document revision, and issue date. Employer's name. The name of the client or employer for the project, e.g., ABC Construction Limited. Project name. The name of the project being worked on, e.g., Downtown Office Complex. Employer's project code. A unique code assigned by the employer to track the project, e.g., P. 12345 or XYZ 2025. Project document revision. The revision number of the document, which indicates updates or changes made to the document or model, e.g., Rev 01, Rev 02. Issue date. Publish date. The date on which the document or model is officially issued or published for use by the project team, e.g., March 22, 2025. The project document revision section of the BIM execution plan, BEP, is essential for tracking changes to documents and BIM models throughout the project. This section helps maintain a clear record of updates, amendments, and approvals, ensuring that everyone involved is working with the most current and accurate information. Below is a template for the project document revision section that includes fields for revision numbers, amendments, issue date, author, checked by, approved by, and comments. Revision number, a unique identifier for each revision of the document or model, e.g., Rev 00, Rev 01, Rev 02. This helps track the version history. Amendments, a brief description of the changes or updates made in that revision. This could include additions, removals, updates to data, or other adjustments made to the document or model. Issue date, the date the revision was issued or made available to the project team and stakeholders, e.g., March 22, 2025. This helps keep track of when each version was released. Author, the individual who created or made the revision to the document or model. Typically, this would be the BIM manager, design lead, or another responsible team member. Checked by, the person who reviewed and verified the accuracy and completeness of the revision before it was issued. This could be a quality control, QC, officer, or senior team member. Approved by, the individual who authorized the revision and gave formal approval for it to be issued. This could be the project manager, design lead, or client representative. Comments. Any additional notes or context regarding the revision. This is helpful for explaining the reason for changes or highlighting significant updates made in each revision. This agreement outlines the roles, responsibilities, and commitments of the stakeholders involved in the execution of the BIM strategy for the project. All parties listed below are agreeing to the terms set out in the BIM Execution Plan and acknowledge their responsibility for adhering to the agreed-upon processes and procedures. Company name. The name of the organization or entity involved in the project, e.g., contractor, architect, consultant, etc. Stakeholder representative. The individual representing the company in the BIM process, e.g., BIM manager, project manager, lead architect. Origin code. A unique identifier or code for each stakeholder or their organization, optional, but useful for tracking purposes. Position. The title or role of the stakeholder representative, e.g., project manager, BIM coordinator, lead engineer. Date. The date when a stakeholder agrees to the BIM Execution Plan and its provisions. In a BIM Execution Plan, BEP, clearly defined BIM objectives are crucial to ensuring that all parties involved in the project understand the strategic goals, how they will be achieved, and who is responsible for specific tasks. Below is a template that includes a section for BIM objectives. It outlines strategic objectives, corresponding project activities, and assigns responsibility to relevant parties. Item. A sequential number for reference. Strategic objective. The key goal or outcome that the project seeks to achieve using BIM, e.g., improving collaboration, ensuring accuracy, etc. Project activity. The specific action or task that will be carried out to support the achievement of the strategic objective. Responsible party. The individual or team responsible for executing the project activity, e.g., BIM manager, architect, MEP engineer, etc. The Project Information section of a BIM Execution Plan, BEP, provides essential details about the project and the key contacts involved. This section ensures that all stakeholders have a clear understanding of the project scope, location, contact points, and contractual framework, which are crucial for effective collaboration and management. Below is a BIM Execution Plan, BEP, template for the Project Information section, covering employer's name, project code, contact information, project address, project value, contract type, and delivery method. Employer's name. The name of the client or employer funding the project, e.g., City of New York, ABC Construction Limited. Project name. The official title of the project, e.g., Downtown Office Complex, Riverfront Park Redevelopment. Employer's project code. A unique code or identifier assigned by the employer or client to track the project, e.g., P. 12345 or XYZ 2025. Contact. The main point of contact for the project, typically a project manager or a key representative from the employer's team. This should include their name, title, and possibly their contact details, phone, email, for ease of communication. Project address. The physical location where the project is being carried out. This is particularly important for construction projects and can include the street address, city, and postal code, e.g., 123 Main Street, New York, 10001. Project value. The total estimated cost or value of the project, typically listed as the contract value, e.g., $50 million. This figure provides insight into the scale of the project. Contract type and delivery method. Contract type. The arrangement used between the employer and contractor, e.g., lump sum, cost plus, design build, or target cost. Delivery method. The approach taken to execute the project, e.g., integrated project delivery, IPD, fast track, traditional design bid build. The delivery method defines how the project's workflow and contracts are structured. The project description section of the BIM Execution Plan, BEP, provides a comprehensive overview of the project, its objectives, scope, and the key features. It serves to set the context for how BIM will be used throughout the project and ensures all stakeholders are aligned on the project goals and requirements. A brief summary of the project, outlining its purpose, goals, and key characteristics. Project name. Insert project name. Project type, e.g., commercial, residential, industrial, infrastructure, etc. Project scope. A summary of what the project entails, such as construction of a new building, renovation, or infrastructure development. Mention major components like buildings, roads, utilities, etc. Project objective. Define the main objectives of the project, such as delivering the building on time, ensuring sustainability, achieving cost efficiency, or incorporating specific design elements. Site area. Total area of the project site in square meters or feet. Building area. Total floor area of the buildings involved in the project. Number of floors. Total number of floors in the building or buildings. Key facilities. List any key features or facilities such as conference rooms, retail spaces, residential units, parking areas, or special purpose areas. The project schedule/phases/milestone section of the BIM Execution Plan, BEP, is essential for outlining the stages of the project, specifying the information exchange requirements, assigning responsibilities, and determining delivery times for key deliverables. This helps ensure that all stakeholders are aligned and that the project progresses according to the planned timeline. Stage 1. Pre-construction. This phase involves setting up the project and finalizing the BIM Execution Plan, BEP. The focus is on establishing BIM standards, templates, and initial software configurations. Information exchange. Project setup files, BIM templates, standards, and software configurations are shared to establish a consistent project environment. Responsibility. The BIM manager and project manager ensure that the project setup is completed and that all tools are configured properly for the project. Delivery time. The phase runs from the start date to the end date, with the BEP and project setup completed at the project initiation.